Okay, so let's move to the second question. What is y if income is 50? So we just need to substitute our x by 50. So our regression equation is y equals 24.45 plus 0.51 multiplied by 50 since our x is our income. So now 24.45 plus 0.51 times 50 is 49.95. Therefore, our demand is 49.95 if income is 50. So third question, what is the demand if income is 0? So again, we just need to substitute 0, 24.45 plus 0.51 times 0, so 24.45. So that's all for the simple linear regression.